Tony Lacantro, and I'm at the Low Emissions Conference here in Perth, and I'm joined today by Mr. Mike Rosenstrike from Hexagon Resources. G'day, Mike.
Good to see you again, Tony.
Not too bad. Now, we're at a low emissions conference, and I believe Hexagon are in the graphite space. It's quite a crowded sector now because you have a lot of companies and people are chasing the opportunities. So what differentiates Hexagon?
Well, that's quite straightforward, really. Our initial building block is a good quality project in the Kimberley of Western Australia. Good quality in terms of the crystallinity and our ability to very efficiently downstream process that material. That's attracted the attention of Mineral Resources, a very significant West Australian mining company, and they are so key differentiating factor is that we're funded. We're funded at the project level, we're not diluting shareholder equity. MinRes are going to pay for everything through the commercial production for a 51% share of our project. Really important differentiator. If things go wrong, and we've got bad news to put into the market, we're not going back to shareholders to say, oh, help us out, we need more money to repair this plant. Mineral Resources with their operating expertise, but they have to take it to commercial production. That's a key defined milestone. That's a key differentiating feature. I think another one is that with that material that we're going to get from our Macintosh project, from the joint venture, we've got a variety of downstream plans. Our Macintosh project concentrate purifies very easily. And when I say easily, I mean cheaper than it costs Chinese to purify using hydrofluoric acids and environmentally unfriendly techniques. That enables us to put purification in a different part of the downstream flow sheet. And that means, for example, we get 100% yield of our concentrate if we're making battery materials, compared to a traditional Chinese battery flow sheet where they might get 30 to 50% yield to high value materials. So those are the kind of differentiating features. We're actually on a path to commercialisation because of that funding, and we've got probably about over 60 years of direct technical and commercial experience in graphite, aside from all our mining scars and bouquets, and that's really helping us to drive that downstream business.
So you've got MinRes as a partner, but where does the potential upside come from an investor buying your stock now?
Well, there's the broad market, which, as I presented this morning, we've got a foot in both camps. We're on this bandwagon of electrification, energy storage, along with lithium and cobalt and these other energy minerals, but we're also catering to the low emissions part of the conference title. So if we're able to, for example, because of the high quality of our graphite, substitute for some synthetic graphite into things like ultra high powered electrodes, making steel, then we're actually in a large volume market and selling into that. So the upside is in being on a path to commercialisation, which isn't just a one-trick pony in terms of energy storage. We're also looking at high-quality industrial materials as well. And so we're riding a popularity wave in terms of the sector. I know that there's market issues, but it's a diversity of products that we're making that will sustain our commercialisation path.
Okay, sounds like an exciting story with a good base. Thank you.
My pleasure.